guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Akanksha and today's video is going to be a Myntra haul. So basically it's a beauty haul. So I'm going to show you the products which I have just recently bought from Myntra, and I'll share my reviews and how did I like these items and how I often have used them. So let's just get started. So the first item I would like to show you is this body wash. So this is Love Beauty and Planet Murmuru Butter and Rose Aroma Bountiful Moisture Body Wash. And let me tell you about the smell of this product. Oh my god, it's actually smells like roses. It's beautiful. I mean, I have been using it from quite some time now. Actually my sister has used it, and she has recommended this one to me, so I have tried this on and I'm in love with this body wash. So if you're looking for a good body wash in summers, then I would recommend this one. It's around 400 rupees for would be this, and this is my recommendation, so do try this, guys. The second item I would like to share with you guys is, I mean, I've been hearing so much about this product and it has been so much hyped. So I just wanted to try and see that if it is much worth the hype or not. So the product I'm talking about is this MAC Caffeine and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. So this one, guys, very easy to apply. Just put some product in your hands with some droplets of water and you'll be ready to go. So do try this product. This is a must use product. Okay, so that's it. So the third product I would like to talk about is from the same brand, and since I have dry skin and I wanted to try face packs which do not take the moisture out of my skin, because a lot of face masks just tend to suck the moisture out of the skin whenever I tend to apply from my dry skin. So I was like looking for something which does not tends to suck the moisture out of my face or my skin. So I have found this, and it's clearly says dry skin. So I was like, why not try this one, because for dry skin anyways there are so many less variants which are available in the market. So I was really keen to try this, and I have tried this. So the packaging is like this. It comes in this beautiful brown bottle, and if I open the bottle, it's a choco face mask. It's a chocolate face mask and it smells exactly like chocolate. It's you would want to eat it. I mean, literally, I'm not exaggerating, but you would want to eat it. It smells lovely. See the texture, it's exactly like chocolate, and it's come with a spatula like this, so you can easily apply the mask on the face. And after the one thing I would like to tell you about this face mask is this does not leave your face dry at all. After you wash your face, it it leaves your skin plump and soft and does not dry at all. I have tried it so many times in past 1 month and I can vouch for it totally. So if you're dry skin type, to use it. If you are struggling to find a face mask for your skin type, then do use it. So the fourth product I'm going to talk is my all-time favorite. I've been using this product from like past, I don't know how many years, maybe 4 years or 3 years. So I'm talking about this Body Shop Vitamin E face wash. So as I said that I'm a dry skin type, so I always need a face wash which does not take some moisture out of my skin, and I always want a moisture face wash which is like which is like not so insensitive on my skin, or do not leave so much of dryness on my skin, or do not leave my skin flaky. So this is the one, guys. This is a bit expensive, but let me tell you guys, it's worth it, because I mean, I've been using it from like this particular like what do you say, this particular product from like, it's a 125 ml product. I've been using it from past 2 or 3 months, and it's still there. I mean, very little of it is left right now, but it is still there. And I mean, this is a one product I can like hardly vouch for it. I mean, I know that I've been saying it for a lot of products, but I'm looking, I'm only showing those products which I actually want to vouch for, and this is the one of them, this Body Shop Vitamin. If you have not tried this, please try this. This is for all skin types and this is wonderful to use. I mean, I mean, I can guarantee you of this product. So do try this, guys. All right, so the next product I would like to like show you is a fragrance. So in a fragrance, if I say I thought that I want to try this body mist, which is from again Body Shop, and it is the Body Shop vanilla body mist. And as you can see, I have already emptied this much of the product, and I've been using it from past 1.5 months, and it's exactly smells like vanilla, guys. I mean, in summers, to feel yourself good, to calm yourself, just spritz little bit on your body and you'll be good to go. So if you are a vanilla fan, if you're a vanilla fragrance fan, if you like this fragrance, if you like the fragrances from vanilla, then I am pretty much sure that you would like this fragrance as well. So do try this one as well. It's retailed for $7.95, but again there are some discounts going on Myntra, which is like buy 2 and get 20% on like Body Shop products. So try to grab them in like the sale or in the discounted items whenever they come in. So yeah, do try this. I love vanilla, so for all the vanilla fans, just go for it. Alright, so the next item I would like to talk about is just a random purchase. It's Garnier Skill Natural new Hydra Bomb Eye Serum Mask. So this is the first time I have purchased this product. I'll be giving my review after I'll be using it, but it seems fancy and I wanted to try it, and I've got it in discount. So let's see how this works and I'll give you the review. And that's it for the products, guys. And if you want to want me to review any of these products in specific, in details, and how to use it and how to use it and all, so let me know, and I can do the review on them separately or combined. I mean, let's see. So just leave your comments in the description box, and so just leave your comments in the comment box, and I'll be taking your suggestions if anything I can add or do, or if any other haul or any other any other kind of video you want to see on my channel. So that's it. Thank you, guys.